regarding the political row that has erupted over the ex-army chief's unpublished book. Now, AIMIM chief Owaisi has slammed the centre, saying that the centre did not give clear directions to the ex-army chief General Narwane during the India-China clashes, and said that the government accepted the perception of China. Owaisi is now questioning the centre that is this your patriotism? Now this is a breaking story that we're getting in at this hour. AIMIM chief Owaisi slamming the centre and wading into the political row regarding the ex-army chief's unpublished book. Take a look at this reaction.
रिटायर्ड आर्मी चीफ ने अपनी किताब लिखी। किताब में उन्होंने ये लिखा कि चीन की फौज लद्दाख में आ गई। मैं वजीर आजम मोदी को बोला, होम मिनिस्टर को बोला, एनएसए को बोला, वजीर दिफा राजनाथ सिंह को बोला कि बोलो क्या करना है। तो काफी देर के बाद डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने फोन करके उनको बताया, आर्मी चीफ को, कि जो उचित आप समझते हैं वो करिए। आर्मी का चीफ पूछ रहा है, जनरल साहब पूछ रहे हैं, जो उचित है वो करो। ये भ्रष्टवाद है आपका।
Let's go across to Himanshu Shekhar, who's on the phone line with us on this breaking story. Himanshu, we've been seeing a lot of political reactions on this political row over General Narwane's book. Now the AIMIM chief Owaisi also wading into this political controversy. Can we expect this to snowball into a larger political row now over this unpublished book by the ex-army chief?
That's right, and I think it has cast a shadow on the first part of the budget session, which is scheduled to end next week. We see the questions that Owaisi has raised are the questions that Rahul Gandhi and several opposition leaders have raised in Parliament, in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And now it seems that this issue now has spilled over into the streets, because Owaisi raising the same thing clearly shows that the fissures, the deep divide that now exists between the treasury benches and the opposition seems to be deepening now, and there doesn't seem to be any space now to resolve this controversy, because government is adamant that this issue cannot be discussed in Parliament. And now we see, after Rahul Gandhi, other opposition leaders like Owaisi are taking this issue now to the streets, to the people. That's right.